Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking sync status so you don't lose work. Open OneDrive from the System tray or Start menu. Sign in if prompted. Once visible, click the gear icon and choose Settings. This gives you access to account controls and folder choices. Make sure to pause sync if transfers are active, because stopping OneDrive mid-upload can create conflicts. Now that settings is open, you're ready to change account and sync options, which control whether OneDrive runs on your PC. You now stop active syncing and remove the link to your PC. In Settings, go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. That severs the sync relationship while keeping local files. Next, open the Backup tab and turn off Desktop, Documents, and Pictures backups so OneDrive won't re-add them. Then, under Settings, uncheck Start OneDrive automatically when I sign in. This prevents it from launching on boot. Once done, OneDrive is inactive, but recoverable if you change your mind. Finish by choosing whether to keep the app or remove it. If you prefer it gone, uninstall OneDrive using Windows Settings, right arrow Apps, and Features. Otherwise, leave it installed but not auto-starting. Reboot to confirm OneDrive does not run at startup, and check the System tray for signs of activity. If something looks wrong, missing files, or unsynced changes, don't panic. Check the OneDrive recycle bin online and your local OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.